and welcome back to Simply Mom Space. As you may or may not know, the Simply Mom Space is not about your kid, it's about you, the mommy. Today's video is going to be about me cleaning out my closet. As you can see, my closet is not horribly messy, but it is springtime. The final snowstorm has arrived. It was about 2 days ago, and now I'm just ready to get rid of all my winter gear and just bring out my spring cuteness and just enjoy spring into summer. So I do this once a year, or sorry, I do this twice a year. I do it in the fall and I do it in the springtime. What I do is I go through my closet, and whatever is either too small, has maybe a hole or a rip that I cannot fix, or something that needs to be repaired, I make little piles and then I clean out my closet. Also, I go through my shoes, I go through my bags to see what I like and what I don't like, what is spring and what is not spring. If it's not, I have a little bin in the back of my closet and I put everything in there, all the stuff that I'm not gonna wear, and then this fall, when it comes, I just take it all out and say, okay, do I like it? Do I still wanna wear it? All that fun stuff. So let's jump into this video. And I think the best thing to do is to just clear everything out and then put everything back. Hopefully it only takes an hour. Okay, let's do this. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, so now my closet is empty, and okay, wait, actually, let's just show you. What? We should just do that. We're trying to do this in an hour because I have to make dinner. Because I'm a mommy. I don't have time to spend cleaning my closet for 2 days. I like the way it's already organized, honestly. I like the idea of having my shoes in here. I'm just gonna go through the shoes and see the ones that I will never wear again, and I'm gonna remove them. And then I like this thing, having my t-shirts, so that's gonna stay the same. I'm just gonna see what's still in season. Then I'm gonna go through the hanging things, which I normally keep on this side. And let's do that. And it will take the least amount of time. I don't want to get rid of any of my shoes. I like them all. Forget it. I'm not getting rid of one of them. Most of them still have tags on it because they do. And I wanted to keep them all. Let's go to the clothes. Okay. I feel like Pinterest will help me right now. I'm overexposed. That's okay. Don't care. At least you can see the closet. Okay. Let's put the hamper back in. Okay, this has like my dust bags and my backpacks. So put those in here. Oh, this is the new bag for my trip coming up, and none of you have guessed in the comment section, so but I'm excited, and I'm not bringing a suitcase. Okay, sorry, too excited. Okay, so I finished the top of my closet. Let's do the bottom. Just going through my sleep clothes to see what I want to keep. Like summer clothing that, like, you know, like when it's like super hot, you just throw it on. It's like your go-to clothing item. It's weird talking to myself. Strange, I must say. You know, I wore this white skirt. Can you see it? This white skirt one time. And I kept telling myself, I'm gonna wear it a million more times. I haven't. I've never worn this skirt again. Oh God, sorry. Okay, I'll keep you. But if I don't wear you this year, you're gonna go. If this summer you don't prove yourself, you're getting replaced. I don't wear you ever. You are super comfy. How do I feel about you? Honestly, you're sexy, but I'm too old to be wearing you outside. So you're gonna become a house dress. That. All right, next.
Perfect.
See, I don't want to put my sweaters too far away, only because I know I live in Montreal, Canada, and you never know when it's going to get cold. So I like to keep them as close by as I possibly can. Go. Hi. It's so funny. I want to be like, outfit of the day, mommy sweater, baggy sweatpants that make me look like I have diaper on, plus my fudgy slippers, my fudgy ones. Sorry. Okay, anyways, closet reveal. Rug. Okay, so these are my important documents. Travel bag, like I mentioned. I color coordinate my closet based on color, obviously. So we got empty hangers for when I do laundry. We got shirts, dresses, work skirts, and pants back there because I don't really wear pants a lot to work. Okay, down here, laundry bin. Move that out here. So we got sleepwear. This thing rolls out. If I could open this cook drawer, sleepwear, which are basically old clothes, gym wear, sorry, and then we got shorts for the summer, which is good. Now they're there. In here, I have, in this bin, I have all my winter clothes and sweaters that cannot be worn in summer. but that I could actually access in case it gets cold in the summer. Then work shirts again. Up here we have the bags that I don't use often, but I need to keep them handy because sometimes you just need a big bag and sometimes I just need my backpack, especially when I leave. So I just put them in there because they kind of flop down. Here, I have all my belts. Okay. Then shirts, I don't have a ton because I find in the summer I'm wearing more dresses than shirt, like tops and like an outfit like that. Boots, just in case it snows again. Nothing's in here, but that's because all the rest of my summer shoes are packed away, so I'm gonna bring those out. Wow, can you be any more messy? These are my other flats, tags on it because obviously I'm wearing them on my trip, and there was a sale at Walmart. So I decided to get some more shoes, and then these are my heels when I decide to wear them to work, which doesn't happen often. And then these are my other heels that are my more going out heels. Now, that's it. And then my watches, and then my everyday purchases. So I can switch it out as, you know, often as I want because that's how I roll. I like to switch out my purses. So yeah, that's it. Closet done. And that took an hour. Oh, God, I'm hot. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how I clear out my stuff. I'll probably do another video in the fall when I put in new stuff for the fall. And I hope that you like it, and like and subscribe. I make videos every Thursday and every Sunday. Sunday is more finance. Thursday is more of my life. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, if you guys want to guess where I'm going on my trip, please leave a comment. I'll let you guys know probably in May or June where I'm going, and I'm excited. I also left my travel bags on top of the place where I stored, God, this is heavy, where I stored all my stuff for winter. I left that out because I'm going away. I'm going on a quick little getaway, long weekend thing. So that's the reason why those bags are gonna be on top of there. Is there anything else? That's it. I'm out.